Hello, good people. Well, I built these welding tables back, I don't know, a week or so ago. And kind of as an afterthought, I thought I need to be able to roll these things around so I can put them together. Because see, I made two smaller tables that will go against the wall and be out of the way, but every once in a while, but you need a big table. So they end up being pretty heavy. I can't hardly move them around. And they're good and strong and solid the way they are. So I needed to put some wheels on them to move them, but I wanted to move them up and down without them rolling around from underneath of me. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to take you along with the ride. I've got some wheels for putting underneath of it. What I plan on doing, I want them to go up and down, so when I'm not using it, it'll be back sitting on a stand, sitting down solid. And when I want to move it out, I want to run these down, pick the legs up, roll it out, and then be able to run them back down. So what I decided to do, if it should work, I got some plates cut to go on top of the wheel. I got these arms made, and I'm going to drill a hole through here somewhere and keep the wheel up like that. And so I'll be back underneath there. And then I'll have a jack bolt that's going to run down, push against this, push the wheel up, picking the leg up, and Bob's your uncle. You should roll right around. But I don't know if what I got here is going to be the right stuff to use to make this work all out right. So the only way to know is drill some holes and weld some stuff together and see what happens. Alright, let's try it. Alright, let's see if we can get some sort of idea here how high we want to make all this stuff go. So, let's see. Get flop down here. The old gray mule ain't what she used to be. It's hard for getting up and down anymore. Alright, let's just take one of these and let's get this plate because it's 1/4 inch thick. I'm gonna make her off, and the wheel is I want it back here as close as I can get it. And I'm going to want that hole about in the middle somewhere. And I want it to be like snow. About right in there. And then when I screw my jacky bolt thing down, she'll pop right on up like that. So I'm going to guesstimate her. I'm going to measure nothing here, I don't think. Just going to guesstimate her right in there somewhere, about that angle. Yeah, go with that. Let's put a marker. Let's mark it. About right in there. Actually, I'll tell you what, I will measure that and say 3 inches. I'm going to put my hole at 3 inches. And let's see if this baby will shoot. We'll get a hole popped through her. Oh no! My sucky will not feel it. Let's try again. A little bit faster. Oh no. Ain't got a very good bit. Okay. Yep, let's do one side. Let's go. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Yeah! Ah! Well. Oh, I hope that was the right size. Should have done 3 1/8. Oh yeah. What do you think of that? So now, what we need to do, get a little bit better of an idea what we're looking at. Put that on there. Go ahead and start that on here for to hold it for me. Yeah. Shoot yours right up and down there. Plate. Oh no. It's gonna go right there. Like so. But where to weld that on that it don't level out here and hit the leg, but yet wants to be close as it can be without hitting. So let's move that in. That right there should be level. So we're going to be most of the way welded there. Let's get a measurement. Let's leave 1 inch. Okay, we're going to leave 1 inch overhang. Yeah? Sound about right? Well, I see a problem here. We're not going to have enough bolt to reach, I don't think. In order to get that level, you're going to have to go on down, way on down there. We may have to add something to the top of here to get that. All right, let's do some welding. All right, so it seems that the wife has left me some kind of cryptic message on my workbench while I've been gone working for the last couple of weeks. I don't know what in the world it could ever mean. Whoa! Look at there. Shane, Hart, Amy. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. Lock this thing down so it don't move around on us too much. Okay. So we know that here's a wheel, one of our plates, and no, let's see. I think do I want to drill this and put some bolts in? No. No, we got the big glue gun. I believe I'll just tack that in place right there. Let me grab some gear. All right, let me see if I can remember how to do this. Round bottle going to the TIG welder, blue bottle going to the pig welder. All right, I got gas. And let's see, turn it on here. And we'll let her bring up the temperature. All right, let's see, what are we welding anyway? So we got some 1/4 inch. This is pretty thin. So let's go home. We're going to do MIG steel. Yes, sir. Then we're going 75-25 argon. We got a ground lead hooked up. Yes, sir. And we got 30 wire. Let's see. Oops, 30 wire. And we're going to go, we got 1/4 inch, but that's the thick part. Let's bring her back down 3/16. Now I think we're ready. Let's see what happens. I'm going to move you around here. You can see a little better. I'm going to weld that wheel right there to that little plate and see what happens. Cut that off there. And let's take a look here. Get her centered up a little bit better. I hope this works so I don't have enough of these wheels to go around. I'm grounded. I don't need a welding helmet for this, do I? Let's see what happens. No, we got no Joe. We got no go. What's going on? Alright, we'll try that. We have all the doohickeys and whatchamajiggers in the right place for the weld. Woo! Engage your safety squints. Just a little tack on here. I don't want to get it too hot because she might melt her plastic thickomacock in there. Alright, that'll hold it on there. Drop that off. Alrighty. Now. Didn't think about that, did you? So our table leg is 1.5 inches wide. So we gotta be 1.5 inches wide. Hot. Let's say we need a clamp. Alright. So we said we're going to stick these on here. We're going to leave them 1 inch from the end. So let's make a mark. Where's the chalk? Found it. We're going 1 inch from the end. So we'll mark there. Hey, look right here. What I got? Handy dandy. Triangle. How do you work it? Can't get it in there. What kind of we're hitting our bars? Close enough. Now, what I say I wanted, got to be at least 1.5 inches to fit over the leg. Need some more hands. Let's see if I can find a magnet or something to hold it. Look at here, what I got for making this just the right size. I need a little bit of slop factor in here. That's 2 inch. So what I need to do is come over teensy tiny bit on both sides. Contact. Didn't have good contact there, did I? Let's do this again. I think ever so slightly got a tack there. Probably be good to put a welding hood on, wouldn't it? And I'll tell you what, hold on. Alright, what I'll do is I'll get this little stick of a measure thing here. This don't have to be, it's nothing critical, so, but I want to get it close. So we'll just do that. Now we got some idea how far we want it in on this side. somewhere in the neighborhood of there, with my clamps in the way. I have to do some re-clamping here. Let's try it on that side, like that. Okay, about right there, about right there. Yeah, she moved. Okay. Woo, that's ugly. We got 1 3/4 inch. Come in just a scooch. Ah! I knew it. I knew it. 1.5 inches. Let's try this one. Whoa. You want to hop around like that. I'm probably just going to have to break down and go ahead and put a welding helmet on. 1 3/4 inch. Yep. Oops. Okie dokie. Alright. Close your eyes. Alright, got a good tacky-a-rooney on there. It's going to be hot. Okay. Shoo, look at her go. Got cheap Chinesium wheels. And I think they're rated for 200 pounds, so this should be good. Alright, well, if we like this, we'll go ahead and weld that up. Let's try it out. Okay, here we go. What an abomination. She slips right in there. There, come on. Where's that? What the? Did we not get something levels? There it is. Okay. Alright, now. That should work. If and this was long enough. Which I don't think it is. It's only down to there. That's not going to engage nothing. You've got to have something higher above here. We're going to need a good, I don't know, a good inch above that. Where a measuring stick go? Oh, up here. Okay. That's the shortest place is at 3 inches. Our bolt's only 4.5 total. When you want a little bit of room up here, we're a good inch and a half we're going to need on top of that. An interesting thing, the jack bolt is just a regular bolt that has a square head on it. It's a 3/4 bolt. But you can get an unbelievable amount of force to move something with a threaded bolt. Any threaded bolt, whether it be Acme thread or a regular thread, it's just twisted and graduates and gets taller and longer as you run the nut on. Well, basically, all that's doing is like a wedge. You're driving a wedge into something, and you can drive a wedge in and really pry something apart. And this is basically a circular wedge. So as we turn this down, it's wedging up, and a little bit of torque on here will put a lot of force down on there, and that's why that'll work. But we got to figure out something else for this, because she's no good the way she is. Alright, Let's think about that. Okay, so here's what we come up with. You don't have much to work with, and you got to play with the one that brung the ball. And this is what I got. It's 1.5 inches taller. I'll weld that on there, and we should have plenty of room to get what we need out of her. So, but how long I need to cut that at 2 1/4. 2 1/4. So I'm just moving into this shop, this garage. Now I don't have anything over here to work with. Everything's over in the other garage, so I'm gonna have to go over and cut one of these 2 1/4, and we'll weld it on there and take a look, see if she's going to work. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I've moved this out here, stuck a couple Maggie nuts on there. I'm gonna weld this right there, like so. Right? Darth Vader helmet on. See if we can tack it. Tack it. Alright. Oh, you dirty. I hate you, helmet. Okay. Better get a little more tackage on there. Get the more tackage. One there. One here. Okay. Let's see what that'll do. Boy, that thing's an abomination. Alright, I'll stick her back. Go in here and see what we got. Get on in there. Where you going? There you go, right there. Woo! What a heck of a looking thing. Alright, let's figure out. We got a 3/4 bolt. I'm going to figure out about where we want to put that. Actually, want to put it more this way because it's going to go down that way, scooch that away. We're about right in there somewhere is about where we want our hole at. Let me find some marker. Here's a little piece. Got the little piece. Okay, so middle of that's about right there. Is that how I want it? I think so. So we want our hole roughly right in there. And I think I'll use this 3/8 bit to drill a pilot, and then see if I can find a big bit to drill the other. Good boy. You know what? Should probably drill that in the center. I might be in trouble now. Center is over there. Well, this is probably a lost cause because I already got a spot started there. Maybe we get a center punch. Hold on.
Wow. Let's try a different angle.
got one that's got a cord on it now. And I have a lot more angry pictures coming through this one. Oh! Wrong! No fit! Oh.
What the heck? This is a brand new bat. She looks like she should cut. You're kidding me. Like a laser. What's it not fit? Look at that. What do you think? Will it work? Let's see, we don't want to know on the top. This one gives us a little less room. We don't want to know on the bottom. Down here. Like so. We'll go one of these. Set up there. I'll tell you what, let's double nut it so we can check the threads. Really weld it. We put a little tack-tack-tackaroonie on there. And see if our proof of concept works. And if it does, we'll take it all back apart. Weld everything up. And make 3 more. Look there. We did there. Let's run this gainer nut up. About right there. Put that like that. And let's put tack-tack-tackaroonie on there. Let's see what we get. We may have to flip this thing over to weld it. Uh-oh. Get around. How about that? Oh, boy. Never get up again. Let's see. Watch your eyes. Not yet. I can't see none. Okay. Oh, yeah. We got a little package on there. Oh, boy. What the heck happened there? So it seems that it has pulled. Well, tapped it. Oh, it doesn't go right. Oh.
So, okay, I see. It would seem that it must have arced on the thread or something somewhere. With the nut part of it. But she might just be running in and out a couple times. Loosen her up. Oh yeah. She taut. But I'll tell you what. Get past that spot, maybe it'll turn a little freer. I thought I took precautions. Keep that from happening. And here is the moment of truth. Remember, we just got little tacks on there, so something could very well could break. This table probably weighs 300 pounds. So, see what happens. What we're trying to do is get this leg up and off on the ground. Oh, I believe it's working. It's working. It's alive. Look at that. Would you look at that? And I mean, if it wasn't for the stickiness of my threads, it's not taking nothing to pick a 300. Oh, look at that. The front peg is off of the ground too. Oh. I maybe have to rethink this. I put one on the other side, cattywampus cornered, or just in the back. Because this is out almost to the center. And maybe I will get by with just 2 of these per bench. But I do believe we proved our proof of concept that this will be trick and it will work for our purposes. Here, look at that. We're a little bit wobbly back here because I don't have it bolted. It's just stuck through there. I do wonder if it'll go all the way level. Because you can see I made a miscalculation here. I should have put that out more towards the center because it wants to scoot towards the back as we go up. But that's not a big deal. All I need to do is come up off the ground a quarter of an inch, and we can roll your boat. Yeah, look at that. About to slip off, but that's pretty close to level, and I still got a little bit of thread. Interesting. Was not expecting that. What we'll do is we'll get a little battery powered impact when we want to go to move this. And reach down there and rat-a-tat-tat. Bob's your uncle. She'll come right up. I can move her, hit her with the impact again, right back down. I just don't like our stickiness in the bolt, but I think this is going to work for all intents and purposes. I mean, how often am I going to move them? Really, anyway, 90% of your work you'll be doing right there where they're sitting at, but every once in a while you're going to want to move them out where you can do something with them. Look at that. So we're loose. All right. Okay, let's do some welding. Oh, this is no good. Cheap Chinesium wheel would not hold her up. Now I got a plate welded on the bottom of that plate. I got to get off of there. Nothing goes right, does it? So, one 200-pound wheel is no good. To the drawing board. Alright, here she is. Boys and squirrels, children of all ages. All four wheels are on it now. But she's not too good. Don't roll worth a hoodly. But probably good enough for me. So let's see if I can shove her back in there now. Got me a ratchet down there on it. And she goes up and down, but she is a little wobbly jobbly. You have to kind of push it with your foot and get it to move. But it does roll. So we're going to call it a semi-success.